Here I have OPPO A1, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode, like this. I mean not dark mode, Do Not Disturb. And by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings by going to more. So for example, here you can set up a schedule for this mode. You can also add exceptions to this mode. It could be favorites or on all contacts. You can also add apps to exceptions. You can set it to ring for repeated calls. A second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.